5 класс, английский язык, домашнее задание, страница 81. English, Spotlight 5, Landmarks, Homework page 81. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga, and I'm your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. It's getting late. It's getting late. It's getting late and I really hate to say goodbye. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. It's getting late. Please don't go. I've got to go home. Please don't go. It's getting late. And I really hate to say goodbye. But I've got to go home. Oh no, please don't go. My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November. Boys and girls, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 81. 81. Карта Мир. Landmarks. Достопримечательности. Top tourist attractions. We must read the text. Read. Every year, millions of tourists come to London to see and listen to Big Ben. But what exactly is Big Ben? Most people think that Big Ben is the tall clock tower that stands above the Houses of Parliament. Well, no. Big Ben is not the clock tower. It is one of the 4 huge bells inside the tower. Its name comes from the bell's commissioner of works, Sir Benjamin Hall, or Ben. The tower is 98 meters high. The bell inside the tower is 14 tons. The clock on the tower is also huge. Each of the 4 clock faces is 7 meters wide. The hour hands are about 3 meters long, and the minute hands are about 4 meters long. Perhaps one day you can go to London and see this amazing tourist attraction. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 1. Look at the picture and listen to the sounds. Do you know this building? Which city is it in? Read the first paragraph of the text and check. Посмотрите на картинку, послушайте звуки. Вы узнаете, что это за здание. В каком оно городе? Прочитайте первый параграф текста и проверьте. The answer. It is the clock tower of the Houses of Parliament, and it contains Big Ben. It is in London. Exercise number 2. Think of 3 questions you have about Big Ben. Listen and read. Can you answer them? Придумайте 3 вопроса о Биг Бене. Послушайте и прочитайте. Можете ответить на них. The answer. How heavy is Big Ben? It weighs 14 tons. How tall is it? It's 98 meters high. Where does the name Big Ben come from? It comes from Sir Benjamin Hall, the Bell's Commissioner of Works. How long is the long hand? It's 4 meters long. How long is the short hand? It's 3 meters long. How big is the clock face? It's 7 meters wide. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 3. Read again and complete the sentences from 1 to 4. Прочитайте текст снова и закончите предложение. The answer. Big Ben is in London. Big Ben is the name of a huge bell. The tower is 98 meters high. Each hour hand is 3 meters long. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Use the internet to find information about a famous landmark in your country and write a short text about it. You can include. Используйте интернет, чтобы найти информацию об известных достопримечательностях в вашей стране. Составьте рассказ, отвечая на поставленные ниже вопросы. Where it is, what it look like, some interesting facts. The answer. A Red Square. A Red Square is the most popular place of interest in Moscow. It is the central square of Russian capital. Red Square is used for military parades and serves as a venue for concerts of famous performers. There is the monument to Minin and Požarsky, Lenin's mausoleum, the Kremlin wall necropolis, GUM, the State Historical Museum, Saint Basil's Cathedral, Kazan Cathedral in Red Square. My dear friends, the lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow,